Jai Shri Krishna Kokilamami. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm both proud and excited to share with you the key highlights and progress Reliance Capital has achieved in the last year. We have successfully maintained our leadership position across our different businesses while increasing profits, deepening our knowledge, and innovating across both existing and upcoming strategic initiatives. We are the #1 NBFC in India in terms of net worth, with a balance sheet size of over 93,000 crores, and we manage assets of over 4.5 lakh crore. This we have achieved thanks to the collective strength of our 18,200 employees who are committed to delighting over 2 crore loyal customers. While technically RCap is now a core investment company, we look at ourselves as an incubation company. Just as we have invested in and grown our current business portfolio, we're looking at identifying key emerging business areas within the financial services and financial technology space. As you can see, each of our businesses is 100% owned or are JVs with strategic investors. Our asset management and life insurance business is a 50-50 joint venture with Nippon Life, the largest life insurance company in Japan. I'd like to talk a bit about our people practices and how we're improving on them. And as we have grown recently in size, stature, and significance in our various businesses at the marketplace, it is imperative that we invest in and develop our biggest assets, our people. You will be pleased to know that in recent months, we have significantly upgraded our employee policies towards building an engaged 18,000 strong workforce. We have invested in the development of our business leaders through cross-pollination of talent across our businesses, as well as investing in learning programs, including enrollment in top Ivy League business schools in the world. We are steadily building leadership muscle to be prepared for the next stage of evolution at Reliance Capital. Towards making our employee experience seamless and easy, we have invested in upgrading our HR system to make them more digital and mobile. A world-class HRMS and a top-of-the-line collaboration platform, all mobile-friendly. Our impetus has been to drive synergy across businesses to benefit our customers in our products and services. We have several streams working on cross-business propositions and driving innovation along the way. Our people agenda is resolutely targeted to diminish silos and become more customer-centric than product line-centric. Finally, in a large retail financial conglomerate, strong employee engagement platforms are driving vibrancy in our workforce. It is our firm belief that an engaged and vibrant workforce serves to delight our customers. Last year, we demerged and listed Reliance Home Finance with RCap shareholders receiving free shares of RHF in a 1-to-1 ratio. We also independently listed Reliance Nippon Life Asset Management. We will be looking to list our general insurance business sometime in this financial year, thereby unlocking more value for our shareholders. And now I'll take you through a brief snapshot of the business performance across our different businesses over the last year. RNAM is the largest asset manager in the country, with the highest retail and highest mutual fund AUM from B15 cities, which is the cities beyond the top 15 cities. We're also a leader in the SIP market with 27 lakh accounts and an annualized inflows of approximately 9,000 crores. We continue to expand our geographical footprint across India. We're the only private sector AMC to manage prestigious mandates of the Employee Provident Fund of India, PFRDA, and the Coal Miners Pension Fund. In FY18, our assets under management grew 13% and now stand at over 4 lakh crore, and our profits grew 25% from 581 to 726 crores. We see RHF as a front-running growth engine for the Reliance Capital Group. We have unparalleled opportunities at hand thanks to extremely favorable demographics, urban transformation, and very low housing penetration. We are in line with PM Modi's objective of achieving housing for all by 2020 by focusing on the affordable housing segment. RHF currently has a net worth of 1,744 crores and growing. Our AUM this year was up by 47%, total loans up by 47%, and profit before tax was up by 97% from 138 to 272 crores. We've recently changed the name of Reliance Commercial Finance to Reliance Money, indicative of our broadening scope. As we continue to grow the SME lending book, we will be looking to expand into retail lending. We've already initiated lending in the two-wheeler and personal loan segments, and you will see us expanding more into the used car and other retail loan products. We've disbursed approximately 21,000 retail loans in the year FY18, and you will see that growing substantially and exponentially in the years to come. Our disbursements were up 14%, total loans up 10%, and income up 9% at RCF. Currently, we're one of the leading general insurance players in the private sector at a 7.7% market share, aiming to be in the top 3 imminently. We are the first GI company to be fully integrated with Aadhaar and the India stack. In FY18, Reliance General grew at 28% as against an industry growth of 17%. Profits also grew at 27% to 165 crores. New banker tie-up struck last year will bring significant long-term value to the company. Online premium grew at 40%, reflecting significant digital presence for the company. Our LIC, Reliance Nippon Life Insurance, is one of the largest agency-driven life insurers. Traditionally in India, life insurance business is skewed towards investment products, and we would like to approach this with a protection-led mindset. We have tied up with a few banker partners this year and want to leverage the open architecture to tie up with more in the years to come. Our persistency rose significantly from 65% to 72%. Our AUM grew about 11%, almost 20,000 crores, and EV had a healthy growth rate of about 6%. Reliance Health Insurance, our 100% digital health insurance company, is going to be launched in this quarter. We're very excited to focus on the underpenetrated health insurance sector, with health insurance revenues estimated to rise to rupees 1 lakh crore by 2023. We aim to simplify the entire health insurance process end-to-end by offering a magical customer experience and seamless customer journeys. Our securities business is one we look to expand rapidly in, physically, digitally, and financially. Profit rose to 50 crores, a big jump from last year. Daily turnover was up 52%. We're almost touching 10 lakh counts. And AUM of our wealth management business was up around 50%. Just take you a quick overview of the digital initiatives that we are undergoing at RCap. So we're making strides by creating and enhancing digital initiatives across all our businesses. Financial services is primarily seen as a push product, and we intend to shift that paradigm by offering end-to-end financial solutions to our customers at every life stage. We're using tools and technology across social, mobile, analytics, cloud, big data, and user experience to bring them simple, fast, and convenient solutions. RNAM's digital purchases multiplied over 2 times to 3 lakhs in the last quarter of FY18. We have a couple of dedicated apps for the segments, including our customers and partners. At RHF, we launched our digital lending platform, which offers customers end-to-end home loans online. We also deployed the WhatsApp enterprise service and AI-based bots across all our businesses, ensuring ease and personalization for our users. At RGI, we settled over 1 million claims using our homegrown digital architecture. The security, RSEC is an industry-first fully digital model. More than 97% of the accounts are open digitally, and clients are able to trade on the same day, which previously used to take more than a week to process. We also have 100% uptime for trading. Going forward, we will continue to offer our customers cutting-edge digital innovation across all Reliance Capital platforms, which I believe is our competitive advantage. As we look forward to the coming years, we're investing for focused growth and are investing across 4 strategic themes. Deepening and strengthening our rural business. Rural India is home to 2/3 of the Indian population at nearly 870 million. This is also an exciting market. Increasing government focus on rural India, a formalizing economy, cheaper mobile handsets, and the spread of wireless data networks. Research shows that 50% of internet users are likely to be from rural India by 2020, and evolving consumer behaviors and preferences are changing rural consumers' aspirations and make for a compelling market. Rural India remains underserved and is an opportunity for Reliance Capital with its comprehensive suite of financing, savings, and protection products, along with its strength in distribution to capture these evolving rural aspirations. Over the coming months, we will focus on designing and delivering unique, comprehensive solutions that are aimed at serving rural India. India's consumer story is being shaped by its 440 millennials and 390 million Gen Z generation. And they represent the future of company and commerce. They also represent a very different, more informed, more transactional, and more demanding customer segment. In serving this segment, our competition is no longer just another bank, NBFC, or an insurance or asset management company. We're competing for the attention of the digitally savvy customer whose experience has been defined by Amazon, Uber, Airbnb, etc. Our thrust has been to make our solutions more transparent, relevant, and digitally accessible across channels. We're investing further in this area, and you will hear more on this in the coming months, including potentially participating in the payments opportunity. We have over 20 million customers that we regularly provide solutions to, and who interact with us on a monthly or at times even more regular basis. An even more substantial count of prospects who are interested in our products and solutions visit our digital platforms. These interactions, digital and physical, offer us deep insight into customer needs and aspirations, and we're investing in digital and data analytics solutions to further strengthen our proposition and in serving customers with the right product at the right price at the right time. Indeed, data is the oil of the 21st century, but oil is just useless thick goop until you refine it into fuel. There is a significant potential for expansion in the alternate asset space. With the merger of our commodity exchange ICEX with NMCE, we are the third largest commodity exchange in India. In line with the guidelines on the Universal Exchange, expected to be announced on October 1st, we will be keen on expanding to other asset classes. Through our exchange proposition, we will also explore opportunities in the SME space and as a clearinghouse. The transformation that we're undertaking is about strong customer engagement, better products and technology, and deep market focus. But it is also about being nimble, creative, and relevant in a fast-changing ecosystem. It is about how we, as a company, can ignite the spirit of innovation within the company, and how we can excite talent into working in an entrepreneurial, fintech-like environment. To that end, we're investing in an innovation hub that will both offer platforms for experimenting in innovative new ideas, both within the company and in universities and other institutions, in the use of new technologies and testing out new relevant capabilities that fintechs and other startups have to offer. We believe this is an investment for the future, and we believe this platform will set the pace for absorbing exciting new solutions and, more importantly, make the company a truly new age entity that is seen as innovative, quick to market, and strong on consumer connect. Key takeaways or quick summary that I would like to go over. We look to capture the unparalleled growth opportunity in the Indian financial services sector. We're a pure play financial services company enjoying leadership in our core businesses. We have a very strong leadership team with proven industry credentials across all businesses. The listing of RHF and RNAM last year unlocked significant value for our shareholders, and you will see more value unlocking in the years to come. Monetization of all our non-core investments will unlock capital and yield gains. We also look to empower our stakeholders through knowledge dissemination using technology. Thank you.